Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore login sessions using Auth0 Universal Login, full guide step by step clearly. To restore login sessions using Auth0 Universal Login, begin by navigate to the Applications section on the left panel. Select the application for which you want to enable session restoration. Under the Settings tab, locate the Advanced options. Find the login flow settings and ensure the Enable Single Sign-On option is activated. Next, head to the Universal Logins section in the dashboard. Switch to the Login tab within the Universal Login settings. Ensure that the Customize Login Page option is selected. In the code editor, locate the JavaScript section where you can add custom logic. Implement a script that handles session restoration after a user's initial login. Utilize the Auth0 SDK methods to check for existing sessions on page load. If a session exists, automatically log the user in without requiring their credentials again. Consider using the ID token to verify user information and refresh the session. After adding your script, save the changes in the Universal Login settings. Next, test the functionality by logging in with a user account. Open a new browser tab and attempt to access the application again. You should notice that the user remains logged in, thanks to the restored session. If any issues arise, confirm that cookies are enabled and check your browser settings. Review the Auth0 documentation for any specific code adjustments or troubleshooting tips. With these steps, you will successfully restore login sessions using Auth0's Universal Login feature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.